G'day, welcome back to the 40 channel. So you saw that we fired up the F135 motor. Let's go back and have a full story of when we first picked this up nearly 3 years ago. So it's been an epic journey. Let's get straight into that. Old F motor, oil bath air cleaner, 3-speed, pretty cool. I don't think the motor runs. Got a few openings that have been well and truly left open in the weather, where water and all sorts of stuff could have got inside. What do you think, Shell?
Big job.
A bit wishful thinking, but just for fun I wanted to see if it would actually move or not. The kettle nuts. So the F135 is in the shed now, but I will be spraying every single nut. Oh boy. Yeah, we got some issues. Yeah, this is not looking good at all. This is bad. This is real bad. You can see it's pretty bad. This is number 3. This is number 2. This valve here is stuck. It certainly explains why we weren't moving. As far as bad news goes, it's probably as bad as it gets. What we're going to do, Chemtools are going to help us out. And we're going to try to save this entire motor and get it running just using Chemtools products. Big core, can we pull it off? I don't know. But at this present moment, I don't have anything to lose but to give it a go and see if we can achieve this. If we can, it'll be absolutely miraculous. Righto, so as you saw, Jack topped up the pots last night with the rust remover. Wow! This is exciting. Pour a little bit more R1 back in there. Yeah, you little ripper. Righto, there we go. Both our stubborn pistons are out. Fits a gasket here, we've got old silicon rubbery. This head has come up amazing. But in the meantime, we can really start getting this ready. The inside of the block here was full of rust, stacks of it. So we dug all that out, some rust remover, just try to dissolve that last little bit that's inside. Thread locker, 8263 with some Molytac grease. So that is super exciting, isn't it, Alia? Yep. But there is a bit of a dilemma with the fire truck, and it involves Alia. Alia's made a claim to this, and she's made it well and truly known in my workshop because there's little sticker notes that I found everywhere I look. What's the story?
It's my car.
Alia is claiming Sam the fire truck as her own. Well, only time will tell. And we'll see how much work and effort you put into it, because Jack's not happy, is he? Anyway, guys, that's it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed the whole build of this motor, because it has been an epic journey. Now we get to move on to the body and start making this look like a 40 series Land Cruiser and bringing it all together. So that's probably going to be another big journey on its own, but it'll start to come to shape. And you're going to give me a big hand, aren't you?
Yep.
Righto. Anyway, until next time.
Thanks for watching.